Okay, here we go. This is week 3, and we're on Wednesday. They're born on a Monday. And I have some lovely grouse wings from my cousin that they hunt. So I'm very lucky to be able to get these wings for these puppies to play with. And we're going to introduce them. This is the first time they've seen it. And I have one folded up in this thing here, and one of the puppies actually already, when I set it down, went for it. So I'm just going to see for as a test again if they go for it. So I threw that there. Okay, pups. Who wants a wing? Red boy really seems interested. You see it? What's this? Oh, here's yellow girl. Is that a bird? What about this one? Green boy. Oh, good boy, Greenie. He's pretty sensitive about
He usually doesn't like anything. He likes that.
This is really good because I think he's quite something. Oh, yeah. Look at that.
Good boy.
Go for it.
Yeah, he knows what he likes and doesn't like.
So as of stinky smells, he can't stand the smell of nail polish, and he can't stand the smell of
Icky stuff.
icky stuff.
But he likes his wings.
So,
good boy.
Little mini-me over here. Like
She's tired.
She is sniffing out the one that's hidden, so I'm just going to toss these.
Ooh,
What is
interesting.
Wake up. Yes, Benji, come on. What is that?
Oh, good boy.
That.
Get that.
Good smells. Look at. Woo! It's a birdie. Where's the birdie? They smell it on me now, so they're. Get the birdies. Look at Greedy go. Good boy. Ha ha ha. Get that bird. Get that bird. Wake up. Purple girl's like, not too really. Get that bird. Where's the birdie? Come on. Where's it? Ooh. Ooh. Look at him go. You sniff?
Yeah. Oh boy. Oh dear. They're just tired. They're just waking up.
All right, Red. So here we have Orange. Is Orange getting into it? I can't tell.
Mm-hmm.
And Green Boy still wants to be on it. There goes Red Boy. He's like, nope, these are my wings. Good girl. Blue Boy. Here, I'll open it up for you. Maybe you can. There you go. What'd you think about that? Wake up. This is Purple Girl. Oh, they're
goes,
looking
oh,
at
hello.
They probably shouldn't be looking. Get a taste for it, huh? Whoa. Here. Whoa. You gonna carry it? Yummy. These guys are going to town on it. Here, let me have it. This is a good test, too, for taking away from them, and they're not doing nothing. So hopefully we can keep that up. Oh, that's a boy. That's a boy. Green Boy just goes for it. Oh, I'm so proud of you. Again, he doesn't like smells, so this is great. Come on. Let's get it. Push here. Woo. Here, Orangey. Or Ready. Here. That's right. Good girl. Oh, that's him again. Get it. All right, yellow girl. Your mama. Yeah. Oh, you need to get on this. See? Good girl.
Oh, interesting.
It is. Oh, nice. You just had to wake up. What a good puppy. This is little light blue. Purple. Okay.
She's tired.
She's like wrinkling her nose.
She's
I don't know
tired.
if you can see it. She's like, no.
Oh, she goes, I want to sleep
That
now.
boy. Oh, wait, that's yellow girl. That a girl. Here. Yay. These wings work perfect. Thank you, Liz and Charlie. Woo. Look at that. You're holding it. Good boy.
That's green.
What a man. He's holding his first Wing. Oh, wow. That was good. Okay, Blue. What about you? You're still kind of tired. Oh, wonderful. You're peeing on it. Guess he marked it. Thank you for... Or is he pooping on it? Oh, he pooped on it. Well, that's his. Woo! Ah, no! You want more, don't you? You want more! Ah, right. Look at Yellow grabbed it. Come on, Purple. Oh.
She's asleep. She'll play later. Leave me alone right now. I'm tired. Oh, I'll smell it. Mm.
Here. Can you get it? Good girl!
Oh, there we go.
Good girl. Oh, yeah.
Little peanut.
Some Greenie is like trying to get on me because I smell like a bird.
Yeah.
Good girl. That's a good girl. Here, can you find it? Can you find it? Look at Yellow go to town on the wings. Oh, you like those? Oh, yeah, they tickle. She's wagging her tail. There's more. Go find it. Okay, I think we should quit on that because I don't want them to get too used to it. I want them to be